What's up, y'all? Back with another cooking video. Today is Friday. I know I'm coming back with these bangers, but they say these bangers. So, get ready for my trip, as you can tell. Anyway, go and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Welcome. I'm your host, Rosa. Welcome to the channel. Um, this is something I'm just gonna do. Quick, simple, easy. What you will need is I got some onion powder, garlic powder, and I'm just making salami wraps. Y'all saw me go in Aldi's or whatnot. I got the cream cheese. I got 2 packages of cream cheese, and I got some mayo, and I got these salami wraps. I got these salami wraps right here. So we're going to be making wraps out of them. And y'all go watch me. Y'all go watch me basically. Let's get to this video. I'm going to have y'all sitting like that for now. Open this. This mayo. So I got the cream cheese in a bowl. Have it at room temperature. I'm just gonna use a little. I'm gonna do like this much a minute. Well, I'm gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna add this much. I'm gonna show y'all. I got, y'all see that much? That's how much mayonnaise I got in the cream cheese. Okay. Next, I'm going to be adding my garlic powder. I ain't even hooked my iPad up. I said my iPad, my tripod. I just sprinkle some in there. About that much. And I'm gonna be adding a little bit of onion powder. And I drink the tea, y'all. So I gotta get about that much. I gotta get me some honey and some sugar for that. Give me this one. I'm gonna show y'all. That's how much I put in there for the garlic powder, the mayonnaise, and the 2 packs of cream cheese. So we're gonna mix this all up. And we're gonna mix it all up in the bowl. Y'all see the bowl, how I got it. So let's get to mixing it up. These are so good, y'all. My sister told me about these. The one I showed y'all in the video when we was in Aldi's. So she was like, you should make some. So that flash starting to get on my nerve. It better go on ahead to go. I'm just stirring it up. You want to keep stirring. And you want to taste it as you go around here. It needs a little bit more. I put this much in here. I'm just mixing it up. So, hold on, I'm gonna show you. Okay. This tastes good. It don't need no more minute. So this is how it's looking. Y'all see? That's how it's looking. So go set this aside. Set that aside. Next we're gonna use a knife to open this. Hold on. Nope, you don't need no knife. You can get whatever salami you want. I'm just using this. I asked my sister which one she get. I'm gonna use this plate to put them on. Check them out. So this how they look. And take that off my spoon. That's good. Okay, you go take a salami. You go take a mixture. Do it like this. And just spread it on there. I just do it like this. And just smooth it out. You see how I got it? And then you go roll it. You go roll it. I'll take some off. See, it's gonna roll it. It's gonna look like this. That fly getting on my nerve. I'ma smack it. You'll just keep on doing that. I'm just spreading it on. I just spread it on. And roll it up. I put so much on. That's alright. I'm gonna eat them. And just keep doing them. That's how you make the salami wraps, y'all. And you don't need to put that much mayonnaise in there. You just want to give it a, you know what I'm saying, a little taste to it. You see how much I put on mine. And a little garlic powder, a little onion powder. This is the wrap. And I'm getting stuff on the plate. I'm gonna wipe it off. Just do that and wipe it off plate off. So comment down below how y'all try cream cheese with salami wrap. So just spread it on there. You don't need a lot. It's smashing on there. That's okay if it's coming out. Just wipe it out. Still to see. Good. I just wanted to come on here and do this video. That's how you do it. Put it in the middle. I hope y'all give these a try. Let me know in the comment if y'all go get the cream cheese and salami a try, or have y'all ever tried them. Just seal it up. Just like this. I'm gonna do a couple more, and then we're gonna end this video, and I'm gonna show y'all the product. If you ain't making a lot, only about one cream cheese. I thought I was gonna have a lot of salami, but I'm gonna do a couple more for y'all. This is the last one. And they good for when you doing uh like parties and stuff, having a big party. Uh, this is all I'm gonna make. I'm just fixing them. That's all I'm making. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And this is how they look. This is the finished product. My salami wraps with cream cheese. This is what I got left. And this the mixture I got left. So I'm going to finish those. And I just wanted to show you. It's quick, simple, and easy. And it only costs, the salami only costed $2.99. The garlic and onion powder costed $1. And then the cream cheese at Aldi's was 79 cents. And I got the mayonnaise from Kroger's, and that was $2.99 for the mayonnaise. So yeah, I hope y'all give this recipe a try. I hope y'all enjoy my channel. Let me know in the comments, have you ever tried salami wraps with cream cheese? Until then, you guys, thank you for watching. I'm Rosa. I'm signing out. Y'all have a good weekend. Bye.